Hey guys, it's Callie and today I'm going to be doing a slime review. Sorry, this video is going to be very boring, but fortunately I'm not making slime today because look how much I want. I mean, I have to be but I do have 3 slimes for you, so one of them is really 2 of them are fluffy slimes, and 1 is me trying to make fluffy slime. So this one didn't really turn out well, because do you guys know how to make fluffy slime? Is with foaming soap, and this is how it turned out. Turned out like glue, borax, and water. But it was glue, borax, and water, and foaming soap, but it just feels like the same as glue, borax, and water. So, but it smells delicious. Delicious. So there's that one. But if you want to know how to make any of this, at the end I will be telling you how to make them. And that one is just borax water. You have to dip it in the water, and that's for these also. So basically all of my slimes right here are the same, just these 2 ones are shaving cream, and that one was shaving foam. Well, not shaving, but that was so stuff. So yeah.
You can turn just about anything into a work of art.
I didn't know what I'm doing.
So
there's that. And this one, look at it. Does that look like a liquid? No, it's not. Slime. Look. But there. Oh, I love to do this thing. Just gotta get it ready.
When you get creative with your friends, you can discover a cool way to stir up some fun. Project MC Squared H2O Nail Science Kit is a proud sponsor of Disney Channel. Batteries and nail polish not included.
When you see the world from a different point of view,
well, I can't really do it well right now.
You'll never know what adventure lies ahead.
But I can't do it really well. Sorry, my camera just fell. But it's not the camera that you think, because it's not the one I'm filming on. But the one I'm filming on is my iPad, but this fell. So that was really fright. But this is the next slime. This one, just to let you know where I got the sparkles and all that stuff. I got that from the glue because there were sparkles and all that, and the grip. So that's winning the royal kind of. So if you want more slime reviews or just videos, you have to subscribe, baby. So, or just push that like button and I'll start new videos, bruh. I will not know why I just said that. I'll never say that. Well, actually I do sometimes, just in some videos and some apps. But if you hear like a TV, it's because of this. So, yeah, if you can't hear me, I'm the shy one. Yeah, that was cool. So, bye.